Yes. Say you go dance if we show you the money. And you got to dance if we enter your screen.
You don't need to answer Nigeria get that question. Are you going to dance and show the money? Yes, I will dance. If you
no, I Whiskey, no try. In all of the money where Whiskey gets, they ask get that question. He no show any money even till he just ask to get the question. You need to show. Do you know how we spend money? This last weekend, you don't have to tell it. And the problem is that most of us, we don't get money, and the girls always expect, say we must always give, like police.
You spend money for where?
So we'll go ahead. Because if I tell you now, you go call you
No.
They say me tembe about Batawa. So they say people when they ask questions, they lost. Where did you spend money?
The money.
Where I was on Friday.
Where?
God. Where?
Where you know say I be there on Friday?
God bless you. Say I the fight you or I the wait.
I don't want to mention the place. They will mention the place I'm going to advertise the place.
Where?
I don't want to advertise the place.
No, for the advert. Maybe they come on my house. Yeah.
Salary don't for the advert. Salary we don't get.
I mean, we don't fall in again. We don't show. Yes, so now know as we dey do am regularly for this place. This one now the show we dey call Bobo's Yarn, and we carry every jollificating things come give una. I dey inside the bar with my criminals them. Shakra.
Yeah, so Ogo.
What's good?
Everything is good. I don't spend money anywhere last week.
Are we?
You know, so I don't let one new habit now. To the cook for us. You know it pays.
So you don't know all this way.
I don't. The restaurant won't finish my money, especially fast food.
So tell me I'm a good man.
If like say they crazy.
Yes, cause
you know I cook egusi soup, pot full, the pot finish like this. You understand? The following day I not come warm the soup well, so the soup can increase.
Oh boy.
So in case you want make your soup double, no warm up. You go double, you can't swell up. You go double. Come.
You don't know how to cook. You need men like me where we say every weekend.
You know say
I always get. I make my soup
cook,
and everything I put in the fridge. You understand?
As you take cook,
and the day ready.
So.
I don't picture for outside.
You shower they can't cook for you. They put for fridge.
And you know now. I know they fix.
Tell me. Have your guy forget.
Funny, not if you chop anybody food.
We not chop anybody food.
Unless.
But like, if you chop anything, pekus.
No, but because I agree with you. Yes, I agree with you. If people come my house, you're not here to come and cook. You are here for the.
You know, say some people they talk say man where they cook they stingy. Not true.
No,
some people they talk and say man where they go market they stingy.
Now what people they think be that? Is that our topic for today?
The matter enter that place. Now say
I don't believe that thing.
I don't believe
before you tell us our topic. I don't believe because Elenu they cook well and you know stingy.
How you know say no stingy?
No, I don't know with them. It's my dog. No,
how you know say
it's my dog. It's my dog.
How you know say Elenu no stingy?
People might know not this American language.
Why you talk about Elenu when no they what of me where they cook and I know they stingy? Why you know?
No, you don't get me. There's difference between stingy and having. You know, no problem. You understand?
Yeah,
you don't give you understand.
That way the way say may thunder have his way. May he have his way. May he have his way in your life.
I beg, matter we want to talk about today, the very spoofing. He enter into the stingy things. I beg. Partner way stingy, how you want to handle them. That's the matter we want to talk about today, sharply, because I believe say relationships supposed to be give and take. No be take. You don't understand. Even for marriage, say we get people with wives and husbands, so they they stingy to their partners. You did it, yes.
I want to
manage that kind. How you want to handle them?
With the stingy.
Yeah, partner with the stingy.
Now to the thief money, now to the thief money.
No, but you know, Shakara, no be. Apart from I know say that joke, you don't carry this down on the joke. But you know, say if you see if your babe where you plan to marry, they stingy. Naturally, don't they begin get issues first because. Though you will feel like saying that one kind of small issue if you just say put under the carpet, don't go worry you. But it matters look. I don't see women where be say they marry. They no fit come out to buy salt when the husband no day. They go wait, make it come back. Or even when they come buy the salt, they'll see give her the bill.
And then they walk.
Then they walk. Say, today I buy salt, I buy seasoning, I buy this one, you understand? So you need to check her first from before you come marry.
But you know there's everything get advantage. Partner with a stingy, actually they help you save more. You understand?
No,
wait, I'm coming. I'm
It's
serious.
different from being stingy.
I know what I'm
there's
coming.
another
Very virtuous woman wey want
stingy.
dey stingy. No.
Being stingy.
guy, how partner wey dey stingy, go on encourage you to spend money lavishly.
Okay, let me.
For example, those kind
okay.
of women, for example, now those kind of women be say before they even come out money buy salt all those kind of things, they don't fit follow you go one place make you buy all those expensive drink. Whether it is, you know,
So
all
are you
those
saying
kind of
that?
things.
Are you saying
But
that
wait.
man now? Are you saying that a man now? Man wey stingy, wey be say he go measure yam with tape, say cut this here go cut.
Say,
So that man now dey
If
that man dey save now.
yes now.
No.
If you stingy, what do you do with your
Shakara,
money?
make I tell you something.
If you are
Most
stingy, what
times,
do you do
most
with your
times
money?
there are men that
Say
are
they're
stingy
stingy
to their wives, but they dey spend outside.
They spend outside.
For that babe, now you know it. You dey do it yourself to
And we
your
get
girlfriend.
babes wey be say
They
that wait, and we get babes wey be say
Yeah.
that they stingy to their boyfriends, or their husbands, and then they give.
I don't tell you story. Say Shakara be get one girlfriend. Wait, give me gist one day. Say Shakara, when she knew this boy when he had nothing. That's how they say people like this Shakara we don't break girls' hearts. This girl Shakara be always hold one bag. Where they always hard for it.
When I had daughter, I be why they carry money waka.
Wait.
Why they carry money for
Shakara dey always carry. Wait
bag.
now to show how stingy. Shakara was a moving bank. You carry money inside. No be say that plenty money. I be like 2 or 3K. You understand? But Shakara dey always pass to give girl one
Mint.
1.5.
Mint.
Which kind mint?
Mint. Wait,
Shakara go wedding. Where did they exchange money? Collect all those mints. Come for like inside your bag. The guy say, and Shakara go just say, hey, hold this bag for me. The guy go hold the bag. She dey form girls of nowadays.
I can't be
That
stingy.
girl that time. Hold on.
Wait,
The
before
guy say
you give
if you
girl
touch,
bag.
why you don't want to drop the gist finish? He say if you touch your 1 naira for that bag, he say Shakara go just come, we don't know, we just para. Say now one day, now she just vex. See which kind of thing be this? Say every time she go the whole bag, she don't go see money. Now she just open the bag. After she don't know say that money dey inside that bag before. So now when she go open the bag one day, she can't see money inside. That's say no, maybe that day only. Now you just manage put money inside. So she comot her money. And that's the only money that girl has eaten from Shakara.
I dey look am say.
That's the only girl.
I dey look am
What
say.
have I eaten? What have I eaten from her?
You know
Hey!
to make sense when you dey wey be say you be partner, you no even fit share with your next person because let's face fact o. If you say you dey relationship, either you are married or you dey date. If you no fit cough out something from your pocket, be you man or woman, to the next person, that means that relationship wey you
No,
dey
but at the same time, we don't
But you
don't
know,
make sense.
but in another news, 90% of stingy people are people that don't have. Wait, let me tell you now. I'm
No.
coming.
No.
Wait.
I'm not buying that kind of-
Wait, talk.
Wait.
Yeah.
I get one of my brother before. When we small, I say go hide money, do. Now they work with construction company. I don't call the company. One of these famous construction company.
I know.
I want to call me. Say she be get problem. Say Stanley don't send money for her. Oh. Say make her help her thank Stanley. So you dey see where they come from.
Let me tell you.
Because he
I
has
agree.
now.
You said 90%.
You understand?
Of people wey dey stingy that they no get. I understand what you are saying. You understand? If it be true, but let me tell you, those other remaining 10 people, 10%, wey no get, but they still dey give. They are naturally givers.
Of course,
There
I
are
know.
people wey be say they fit comot their all give. Have you realized say most times guys, bubbles like us now, fit spend money for get head inside bar, buy every drink, every bottle, but to comot money give the girl na lie. As I see go guy carry girl go outside, you understand, spend money, buy am all the drink, buy am nkwobi ishewu go chop. When he go back house, and Shakara is a very good culprit for this one. We tell the
No,
girls, I will
master.
spend money on you. I spend money.
See,
In the money
I
courage,
dey-
you give the girl 1.5. Is that
So
money?
which kind which give
How
the
much?
girl
Okay, what's the highest money you are giving the girl?
Then when they come up as a young people, they don't even know. You know, say first we first get name before we begin see money for this industry.
True.
Then we'll do AY open mic night. They'll come, you know, say AY they show it for all the stations everywhere. They show them. So they watch you.
Where they
Shakara,
carry
Shakara.
fish? Where they
Understand?
carry fish? Go chop for.
Understand? They don't know.
That your
They
first story.
don't know. Say when we go perform for some of this bar, when they want spread to say, sometimes they'll say, give the boy beer. So God no, maybe they give him pepper soup. So when they give you the pepper soup, you know, say if you drink pepper soup like that, as a hungry guy, it be like waste. So they carry pepper soup, go out, come go do a bar. Scatter the fish, put inside the soup. This Chris, one day come my house. Now I give him that recipe, make it taste that. He chop, he won't run.
That day I don't need chop, but when Shakara I just smell it, he don't go kitchen. Because the fish we all of us buy from where we go hang out. Shakara remix.
No, I go make Ugo feel one day.
Ugo, you
go feel pepper soup fish with hot eba.
Poverty fish.
When we come back, we carry on with the water bag. Partner with stingy. How you fit handle them? We they come back.
Partner with this stingy. How go take handle them?
Now same stingy format we go to use now. Abi?
If my partner dey stingy, definitely I go dey the same thing. You no give money, I no give money to now.
If the partner dey stingy, I can't check how the stingy take be, whether na big stingy or small stingy. It's a very simple thing now. The type of hand you use follow you. That is the type of hand you use follow that person. Yes.
Stingy ni Amafarashi. I be stingy to you too. Yes, but if you are upright to me, I'll be upright to you too. Simple.
As she dey stingy, I go dey stingy. We go, two of us go dey stingy together.
If na small stingy, I go pity am. If na big stingy, me I go stingy to am back now. Now. What I go do? Stingy now, because na money side, now the stingy they will happen pass. You know, for happen for food, where they bring money for. If na money I no get, I ask am give me small. May I take do such, she no gree. If she need, then me I go try and say no day, so that nobody go cheat each other now.
You know, say marriage na for better, for worse. If you dey stingy, you go manage am. You go manage am because if you say you no go manage am as a stingy rich, make you go find another one. You know wetin that one go do? That one fit do something way past that one. Maybe that one, if you be woman, that one go dey beat you. Which one come better? Or another one will go be rich Alice, where you don't know. So if you stingy, I go manager.
Yes, so now welcome back. People don't yam plenty. If you just join us now, Bubbles yam be this, and I go for street, you just say so. And matter what they talk about today, very sploofing, because me, I like them. Partner with this stingy, how you fit take handle them. We don't see everything where people don't talk.
I won't come back to that.
I don't see what people talk because I
that last guy
guys talk. No,
that guy say that man.
Before we even enter that man, most of the guys talk say na tit for tat.
Yes, so before we come to tit for tat, I want to address that man with us say marriage and for better for us, and then you go manage like that. So if woman they stingy with pekus, you no one give you your rights. No. How you go manage them?
I never see that woman.
No, that one easy to manage.
Oh, you never see?
I never see that woman.
We don't discuss timetable for sex here now.
Yes. We don't discuss timetable for
can be stingy.
How can you be stingy?
Let me tell you how men can be stingy.
For what?
Let me tell you how men can be.
Who has the pekus?
Wait now.
No. Who has the pekus? Who is supposed to like ransack the pekus?
Okay,
who is supposed to deal with the pekus and make the pekus go
no vex.
What do you mean?
For instance, now you don't say women now. You don't say women be like they don't say as men are babies. Man, we don't they do woman strong thing during the day. They para. She'll come for her mind. No worry, night go come now. The night can't reach you. That's why you won't hold her. She throw away your hand. She don't begin to show that she can be stingy. Do it for you 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. That is being stingy.
No, see, any woman, I repeat, any woman where they stingy with her quickus, you know, say there's something wrong with that marriage.
Cold they catch you.
No, I mean you
stingy or which way you say you just the whole day you just they out yourself. You know no. See, I am well for the body language. I have gone far and I study body languages. When topic
you study body language.
Yes, when topic they affect they minister more to you with how your character, your nature be. You go show up for your this. Now, this thing are like boy, I know
me and you, who don't dash people money pass?
How you want
for even for this bar, even for office.
You did dash money because you want interest.
Benefit. Which kind of benefit?
How much money do you get?
I don't know what it concern you with how I put hand.
1.5. So why you go fold hand like say now?
Now your hand I fold.
Okay, you don't lose money.
Now your hand I fold.
You don't say this thing that you don't think say oh boy na true. But like say
this life. Person wey lost money. Person wey lost money no dey even shout like Usi and pick. Person wey pick and go one die.
No, but
person wey lost am still dey calm.
Shakara, why your hand fold now?
But you know say Shakara truly. When most of these guys talk say tit for tat.
Been the talk before this Mutula.
Oh yeah, go back.
I say woman wey dey stingy with pekus something is wrong with that marriage. A woman can never be stingy with quickness to her husband.
Don't say that.
Either, now me they tell
Don't
you.
they talk this way, you know they very
Now
short.
I tell you, if you they do that means the woman they vex for you for something, or she feel say she no marry the right person.
Obviously, she dey vex for you
That
for
means
something.
So you need to find out. That means something is wrong.
But
Woman no feel just stingy. Woman naturally feel stingy with money. Naturally, you understand? Feel stingy.
But you,
so even
you don't
food.
say you get a woman when you just like sex.
Even food, when
You
you
say
just
women
like,
when you like sex.
Why God concrete?
and you can't marry.
I said okay, so all
Even though
the
you
all
don't
the
like
reverend
marry.
sisters where be reverend sisters, how did they
For
know?
no, Reverend sister they marry.
Now they talk now.
You dey tell you say if you be
Some
woman
people
wey dey
dey,
stingy
some
with
women
people,
they
you
will just
no suppose
marry because of say they want just born pikin.
You don't know say cranking for marriage. It dey give serious connection.
Na me you dey tell.
Heavy cranking.
Na me you dey
Do
tell.
you know what cranking can do to your life?
Even as a virgin, I still know that it is very key. Don't leave the topic. I'm just we are moving.
Asengere.
Your friend.
Ehun sa aran about this boy.
You get dictionary.
Ehun sa aran
You
about
say
this
get
boy.
ready, right? Ignore.
Yes.
Just always remember. If you say be virgin,
It's too hard. It is very hard for you to remember that word. Ignore. You don't go feel remember. You go still come
Ignore.
back.
Ignore this.
Ignore.
So
But I'm sorry about this boy.
okay, so now, but I'm talking about generally now. Woman they stingy or man they stingy. More we don't more put ourselves now in the woman's shoe now. Man really stingy, and basically most times now about money or even car. So men they will go get like 4 cars for their house
They
now.
don't really allow their woman.
If you don't
drive
if you touch
the
one, even if no be your, even if you say if you love girl and she no be your wife but your girlfriend. I don't give girl car before now. I don't give like I've given out 3 cars so far in my small life where I did like this now.
But we really to say that car own a part of stinginess.
Nah, stingy.
Because you get men where they give their wife the money where they need, they do anything. But in car, you know the driver.
For how many cars? For how many cars? For how many cars? Only one will you get?
Know how to maintain.
For only one car. If na one car, yes.
It gets some women
nobody they drive their cars.
Na stingy guy.
No be stingy.
Na stingy guy.
No,
How you want tell me?
that one na principle abeg.
Na principle.
Maybe go hear wetin women dem gats talk. Make we do sisi opinion when we come back.
Say you
we continue
know
matter.
about this thing. You like
Partner wey dey
this.
stingy.
This
How
about
you
boy.
fit take handle am? No tell me say man wey be say you say wetin?
Sorry.
You
go
say
on.
wetin? You say wetin?
No, I don't forget partner go dey stingy.
Partner as in my guy, he dey stingy.
No, God no go give me that kind of partner.
E go hard o. The relationship no go work now, cause no, e no go work.
I will handle him in so many ways.
I no fit date person wey dey stingy ooo. I be Igbo babe. I no fit date person wey dey stingy. You must know how to spend. You get woman na responsibility. If you no want me, pack well. If you want me, you dey with me. You go spend money. Me too, I go spend. Na 2 of us go dey do am together. But say you stingy, abeg.
So you go just know as you go dey steal out of the person to support yourself. You know, because there is no way you can steal. You no go steal outside. Na that your husband, 2 of una. If he dey stingy, if he give you money for food, if you cannot save something out of it, then you can be taking something out of him. In so many other ways, I can handle him also by increasing the children's school fees for him and food items also, you know.
Please, can we salute to the women?
I give
Salute
you
to
a
all
beg.
the women.
I give you. I give you.
Hey, women.
See wetin this woman you talk finish na.
Where they tell you say bag of garri 2,000 not add on top. You know say you busy. Which time you wan go dey find out all the price of all those
You know what's bad? This way they do now when they increase the food
item and children's school fees.
You can't go like maybe like imagine as we now broadcasters now. You can't do on radio. You can't talk. You can imagine this country. It's so hard. Before we used to buy garri for like 2,000, now it's 5,000 naira. Now the people say
where are they selling it?
I'm telling you, I bought yesterday. I gave you 5,000 naira. Now your wife,
You know that way. You know that when you get children, if you stingy, where the children they come from school.
Not true.
Now you and your wife dey inside room, now she go tell you say, Then junior, they say me they bring a social thing for
school.
You know, say you know, go they wake your children, go they answer, say, wait they say more na bring
you know what fit now.
So you will give her
and even when you know you don't go embarrass your wife. That's why most like men suppose they get money to
so
keep
how
for your wife.
do you fit handle partner with the stingy now?
Now the women don't see that the women don't tell you their own parts.
Like,
no be lie. You go steal from your own source. Now your source be that.
Lady, she's so blunt.
No. Either you increase the school fees because even most of us, you understand, when we did school, you understand. I don't mean I know nobody pay my way to the school, but I'm just saying, like people like our way they pay on our way now. I know so I don't increase when I rent.
Now you sponsor yourself for
pay
school.
Oh yes, school fees yourself.
From my first year?
From my first year to the final.
They don't talk of university. With the top people with the streets. People with the streets since from small.
Why can't you ever for once give me small glory?
That
was. Don't talk about when you. I talk about that was. This is not the main topic.
You pay your school fees for 4 years and you're here blabbing.
No,
what about people that they saw themselves from secondary,
many people
primary to university level?
Many people they take care of themselves because
at that point you can do handwork.
So now the issue with this one.
Yeah, here making math. Yes, that's the issue now.
Now this will lead me to this thing.
That's the issue now. Yes, which is.
You said that you they call yourself say you be virgin.
They say you be virgin. Any sort I say you spend money
or you spend money.
What they do you?
You are a twatus.
Akpe bargain now. Come and what does spoil, Jerry? When we come back, we'll continue. This is where I pass
this segment will change to showman don't spoil.
Showman don't spoil. What's that? Come and yes, welcome back. Well, now what don't spoil.
Sakara, when last did you have some banana?
The funny thing for this life, the things where they make rich men fresh, now poor man they sell them.
Yes.
I tell you. They look at it.
Salad ingredients. Now Aboki they sell salad ingredients. You no ever see a Joe Aboki they chop salad. But now they sell the ingredients.
You want they chop your market. You chop your market now. You need to make sure that your market.
Speaking when mama get restaurant supposed to be fresh.
My brother.
But you don't see speaking way in mama get restaurant so you say they chop 3 square meter for the restaurant before.
And most they check all
even when they sleep, they press dodo for a mouth. You
know, say most times, like if you're a very good cook, like where I be, if you cook, most times you don't feel they chop because either the aroma or something. So when you get something in front of you, you don't be like say you get plenty money. If you get plenty money, you know what they do feel like say.
So now the thing where Aboki get for front, now you know feel all the salad ingredients we full with by the way they say.
Aboki tell you talk
say making go do salad for himself.
Aboki don't tell you say fruits they hungry
na culture, na diet culture because a lot of us for Nigeria.
No, but let's not forget the fact that the fruits don't they very expensive.
How now?
Compared to before.
Compared to before,
you understand. I tell you the reason why.
How much is apple?
Okay, I'll tell you the reason why we are suffering this thing. You know, in those days, our parents were still farming and all that, but now agriculture. If I want, it will make me want to invest with our government again. We don't face oil.
Squarely now.
Squarely.
Nothing else.
Leave agriculture.
We don't go back to agriculture small.
We are going.
We are
going back.
We don't go like small.
But we make those fruit them the way we say before. If you come up for your backyard, just throw small. You get fruit by yourself. But now you can't get.
Why we not go
back?
But not only government. The fruits what they always pluck for tree. Nobody they say most talk say Ebola. They come from fruits.
We wash it now.
Well, which wash? When bats don't go chook him out inside the.
But another thing again, I say we need to imbibe this healthy eating habits. We need to do not.
And most of us rich man. Because I would like to use some fruits. They very cheap.
Very.
Some food they very cheap.
Most of us with the reason now. Mama put plate of food 300 naira. You can't go buy fruit 300. You know.
How you go to handle partner with stingy? One word.
Educate the partner. You know, give them reason why you're not supposed to be stingy. You know.
Showman, one word.
Do the reverse. If you fit, do the opposite of what they do. If you dey stingy, you dey show them with more money, show them with more love, excess. You go change. Now my principle is that they do them.
Anyhow we be you. Now I go tell you say be the best thing, but I beg, no matter what it be, no forever they stingy to either your partner, your wife, or whoever you date. I think God beg you, even to your family members or to people around you.
And do not be stingy with pickles.
Good night.